Married to the Mob is my clothing line. Yeah, it's my clothing line. Lacoste is just like a classic fucking dope brand that, you know, I mean, it's like a timeless brand. It's like, you know, it's like an established company. It's not ever gonna go away. It's just like one of those epic companies. That's it. So, I mean, to be able to work with them and do something with them is really cool. And if that's what they're trying to do, like be cool or be like a little more underground, then I'm down to help them, because just for me to be able to say that I worked with Lacoste is like really dope.
Technically, Married to the Mob is a brand, but it's more of it's like a whole vibe, you know, because Married to the Mob, Mob stands for MOB, Most Official Bitches. So that's like kind of the little crew within the brand, and just, you know, I think it's like female personalities, just creative female personalities.